I'm Sharlaine.
And I'm Jasmine.
And we're going to do a vlog.
Yes! So, the following are the uses of technology in our daily lives.
So, for the top 10, we use technology for studying our lessons. We have different softwares to study our lessons like Edmodo. What else?
Google Docs
Schoology, Serenaria,
and many more.
Alright.
Yes! And many more.
Next, we use it for research and expanding our knowledge.
Such as using search engines like Google, Ask, and many more. And many more. Number 8. We use it for communication with friends and our family. We use applications like
Gmail, Viber, Skype, a lot of those.
Messenger. Yes! Yes!
Next.
Yes! And many more.
Number 7.
You know, sometimes you tend to get bored, right?
Yeah.
So we use technology as a tool for entertainment.
Yeah, like you can watch movies online, Korean novellas, like that. It's in demand.
Like, you know, listen to music in Spotify, watch videos in
Yeah, YouTube.
Netflix, yes, and many more. Number 6.
We use technology for expanding our talents, sharing our talents with other people, and to expand our skills. Like, if you're a good writer, you could use Wattpad or you can have Tumblr. And especially if you're a musician, like my friend here, she uses Guitar Tuner downloaded online for tuning her guitar, of course.
Yes, and many more. Number 5.
We use technology for building human relationships.
Yeah, you know, socializing.
Social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those stuff. They're cool stuff.
We get friends there. And many more. Number 4. Sometimes, you know, we get so lazy. We don't want to go to the mall to purchase things that we want. So, we can use technology to buy stuff. So we can use Lazada or Shopee. Or we can book tickets online.
What have you purchased from the internet?
My VR box. Technology.
Technology, wow.
Technology.
What have I purchased? Clothes.
Makeup. And many more.
Any more? Next.
Number 3. Sometimes, you know, actually, not sometimes, because most of the time, we need to go to our destination.
Yes.
And we don't want to use, you know, public transportation because it's too hassle. You know, we can just book another way.
Yeah. Have you tried Grab Angkas?
What's that?
It's motorcycle. You can grab a motorcycle.
There is such thing as that?
But it's expensive.
I didn't know. No. I didn't know.
You should try that Grab Angkas.
I will try that.
What else? You have Grab and
many more.
Number 2. So we use technology for managing our finances and online banking. Like, you don't have to go to the bank anymore, but you can access it online. Blah. Blah. You can access it online.
This is actually very important, right? Because it involves money.
Yeah, you can keep track of your money, if
Yeah.
how much you withdraw
Yeah.
and how much comes in.
Yes.
So we have BPI online, video online. We can pay Maya. Yeah, that's it.
And many more. Power 1.
So here's the main important, very important, significant significant use of technology. So we can use technology for raising awareness and spreading change.
Power! Let people know about the endangered species. Show people pictures of pandas and dogs. That's important.
What else?
You know, raising awareness.
How about the LGBT? That's very
Yes, and you know,
important.
racism and to fight tyranny.
Yeah, we have to support and love one another. So we can use technology for that.
Yes. And many more. I learned, you know, the top 10 uses of technology that wasn't really much showing. You know, we use technology every day, but we aren't really much aware of its uses.
Yeah.
It actually makes sense.
Thank God it makes sense.
Yes, you know.
How about my realizations? What did I realize?
What are your realizations? What have you learned? Have you learned anything?
I learned that it's important to use technology in the right way. Aside from, we should use it in the right way, like, you know, informing other people, spreading the love, respect. And
Many more!
so that's all. Thanks for watching our vlog. Follow us on Twitter,
Cassie Reg.
Rain Benavidez. Bye!
And many more.
Ayoko na, itigil na natin to.
But do not love those people who are.
Okay!
Again. Tune up for the next vlog. Unfortunately, we don't have any next vlog. So, yes!
We should use
Listen.
technology for
Very
spreading,
carefully.
Spreading
Listen
away.
carefully.
Oh, ikaw na. Sige na.
Sige. Yes, like, you know,
Yes! We need
pandas.
those.
You know?
Alright. 1, 2, 3, go! Number 1.
Sabi ko, one lang. May number pala.
Oh, di mo.
1, 2, 3, go.
And many more.
And many more. Yes!
Next.
Junjun number 2. Asus number 1. Okay.
Natatawa ko dyan.
Okay, game.
Number!
Hindi, sige. Okay na yun. Okay na yun. Number 3 natin. Ano ba sasabihin ko dyan? Okay.
Uber.
Yes.
Number 2 na.
Ulit. 1, 2, 3. And many more. We use...
Bye.
Ano ba?
Nabakla eh.
Ulit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Number... Ay, wala.
Entertainment.